Fast gourmet popcorn. Choose beautiful, durable temperature-safe silicone for better popcorn popping experiences. Melt butter with the dual-function lid for gourmet results. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Prepare and share. Great for a healthy snack, movie night, the big game or recipes including popcorn. Simply use the lid to measure the desired serving size, pour into the silicone bowl and place in microwave. Hundreds of fun and healthy snack recipe possibilities for your popcorn enjoyment. Homemade is better. Make homemade popcorn as an alternative to buying single-use prepackaged bags containing unwanted chemicals, ingredients and calories. Butter me up. Melt butter with the dual-function lid for delicious buttery popcorn. Compact storage. This popcorn bowl collapses, making it easy to store in a cabinet without taking up a lot of room. High quality. Made without BPA with food-safe silicone. Not just for popcorn. Perfect for use as a bowl for chips, crackers and more. Compact collapsible bowl is perfect for camping, picnicking and tailgating. Use and care. For use in microwaves with turntables. Please do not use popcorn setting, as every microwave is different and will produce different results. Please read instructions before first use. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful product. I totally recommend this popcorn popper. It takes up no space in your cupboard. It's easy to clean. I love that you can put butter in the top to melt and drip over the popcorn as it pops. I pour in 2 topfuls of popcorn, set my microwave for 3.5 minutes, and voila, yummy popcorn. The only thing to be careful about is that it is extremely hot when it's done, so you must use oven mitts taking it out of the microwave.